sounding a lot better, actually. This is really great. Is that my fridge looking, hold the fuck up. Not here. My bad, for real. You know, like, I got y'all real fucked up thinking I could just come on here with my dirty ass fridge. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. It is Cooking with JaLeah episode motherfucking 2. I'm gonna make some chicken stuffed, crab stuffed chicken. I'm making some crab stuffed chicken with some mashed potatoes and some asparagus. I never did none of this except for the mashed potatoes, so I'm not gonna go too in depth on the mashed potatoes because I've done it before. So if you want to know how to make mixed mashed potatoes, you go back to the first episode of Cooking with JaLeah and find out there. So that will be a major part. Just know that'll be happening behind the scenes, okay? So yeah, I got some bacon in the oven that's gonna go in the stuffing portion of the meal. And now we can get started on prepping. We can get started prepping. That's what we can do. Let's get into it. This set is from Shein. That's my gonna add. I know y'all want to see the fatty. There it is. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna mainly, y'all over here, somebody's been down. I'm gonna mainly follow Stovetop Kisses recipe. So yeah, shout out to Stovetop Kisses. Don't y'all love Stovetop Kisses? Like, I don't think I would be the person I am today without Stovetop Kisses. So shout out to Stovetop Kisses. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my veggies. Got my asparagus, some green onion, and I'm gonna give y'all a fun little fact in a little second about what you can do with your green onions. I'm gonna use about half the asparagus, so here's half. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the end of this green onion, and I'll go ahead and show y'all the little fun fact. Get you a little glass, fill it up with some water, and then just plop this on in here. And if I might get this, today is Thursday. If I get this video up on Saturday, maybe I'll leave y'all a little update. Basically, the green onion's gonna grow. So I'm gonna just pop that over here, and the green onion's gonna grow in the meantime. And then now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut this. Let me change sides. Y'all can't see shit I'm doing. Yeah, okay, that's my little trash bag. Don't mind that. Y'all see I got no nails? I'm over here cutting this. This was not what I was doing in the last video. This is like 2 tablespoons, but who can be my ass? And then now we can go ahead and chop up our bacon. I got 3 pieces here. I made 5. Where are the other 2? In my stomach. Let's get to chopping. Shout out to my grandpa. He saw I didn't have a cutting board in my last video, so he went and gave me some money to get one. So, love you, grandpa. Ignore me shaking my butt earlier. That wasn't for you. I probably should have cooked it a little longer, but girl, if you burn your bacon in the oven, it's just burnt. And then that's just that. So, it's a little tender, but still good bacon nonetheless. All right, we got our bacon chopped up. Ah, shit. I'm just realizing I probably should have made my potatoes. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm not gonna show y'all though, because I showed y'all already. If you wanna know how to do that, go ahead and look back at the other Cooking with JaLeah. I'm gonna start these potatoes off and come back. Now we can go ahead and prep our asparagus. I already cut the ends off while I was cutting the potatoes, so that's done now. Here we go. All up in the pan, make sure they're like that. And then now you're just gonna go ahead and oil and season. I'm just gonna throw some Tony's and garlic salt on them because it's just asparagus. So I'm just gonna coat them in some oil really quick. And then now just go ahead and season them. All right, and then I'm just gonna use my hands, promise they're clean, and just go ahead and mix them all together. All right, asparagus all covered up in the oil and the seasoning. We can set that aside, and now we can start making our stuffing for the chicken. I went ahead and rinsed off my cutting board, and now we can get into the chicken. No, actually, I lied. No, not yet. It's my channel, I can do what I want to. I got a lemon, I'm gonna roll it around a little bit so I can get ready for the cutting. Ooh, throw the lemon in the sink real quick. I got some softened cream cheese. You don't gotta use the one that comes in the thing, you use the one that comes in the box, but this is what I had, so it's what I'm using. I'll just go ahead and spoon that out. Shouts out to the cream cheese. That's softened, and now we can go ahead and add our bacon and green onion. We're also gonna add some claw meat, some claw crab meat. You can use lump crab. Hold on, I gotta talk to y'all real quick. Why no one told me that lump crab was $20? Who was paying $20 for lump crab? Not me, girl, this was $8. So we got the claw meat. And use the whole thing. I think. Let me stir this around. Let me see what it's talking about before I keep going. Also, I have to add the Parmesan cheese, and I'll go grab that. Don't be mad at me. I got some already shredded Parmesan because I'm lazy. Hope my potatoes are over there not overcooking. I don't have the time. I'm going to let my ancestors tell me how much Parmesan cheese I need to use. I'm gonna do like a half of another handful. All right, thanks ancestors. Stir this together some more. I'm gonna add a little Tony's in there because I gotta. All right, glad I did that for my self-steak. Probably could have chopped up some more green onion too, but you know, that's life, it's okay. Okay, now that we've got our stuffing all stirred together, this is what it's looking like. Now we can do our chicken. I've got some free range chicken breast, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these off. I don't know about y'all, but I like to rinse off my stuff, so I am. It's got a little fat around the edge, so I'm just gonna start trimming the chicken, cause that's what I gotta do. 2 chicken breasts. All right, I got my 2 chicken breasts, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and split them open. I don't know if this is how everybody else do it, but this is how I'm feeling like this makes sense. So I'm gonna just do it like this. 1 chicken breast split. Hi, I'm Mr. Let me stop fucking playing. Okay. All right, 2 chicken breast split. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pan and butter the bottom. And also wash my hands now. I'm touching all this raw chicken. You can't be just touching anything. I got this skillet right here, and this is what I'll be cooking the chicken in. I got softened butter for a reason. So I'm just going ahead and get the butter in there. Yes, I am. I don't know if I need to do that or not. It just felt right. And then now I'm gonna take my stuffing, move this butter out the way. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna just start stuffing the chicken breast. Don't be afraid to touch it now. We get in there. Y'all see what I'm doing? I don't think so. Let me do it again. It's giving dip. Like, I'm kind of glad I have some of this left over because I kind of put it on a cracker. I mean, stuff to the brim. Now let's bring back this pan and go ahead and place the chicken breast on there. Bop, bam. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and start seasoning. I done got that lemon and did not even cut it and put it in the stuff. But you know what? That's okay. So now I'm just gonna take the same butter and just, we're gonna put this butter on top so that when it gets in the oven, it gets kind of crispy and like succulent. And then now I'm just gonna start spreading this butter all over the chicken breast, and then I'm gonna put the seasoning on top after I'm picking this up, y'all. My counter is clean, I promise. I'm not getting no more butter. It's not doing it how I thought it would in my head. So just, let's act like this isn't happening right now. This is embarrassing. Oh, this one's not, what the fuck? I just spread this like butter for real on this one. Not how I spread the butter like butter. I am really hilarious. I don't know why this butter ain't spreading like that. That's weird. I have no clue why one is spread better than the other, but that's what we got going on right now. I'm just do my best to make sure the butter is everywhere and call it a day. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start seasoning. I'm gonna use some Tony's, garlic salt, some adobo because I like it on my chicken, and some lemon pepper because I forgot to add the lemon in the thing. The sole purpose of me buying this lemon was for me to put it in the but I didn't. All right, all covered up. This one looks immaculate. You guys can't even see for real because of the angle, and I don't have a better tripod right now, so sorry for that. But here's what it looks like. This one on this side, I just know it's gonna be right because I got to spread the butter like how it's supposed to. That's how it's supposed to look. This one is kind of all clumpy, but you know, whatever. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and then also put in the asparagus. And just let those go. I think about 20 minutes, but girl, I don't know for real, so, cause I never did this before. So, well, I'll let you know how long it end up being. What time is it? It's 9:54. It's 9:54. I'm gonna check in it. Oh, let me go over here, y'all. Y'all gotta see me like this. It's 9:54. I'm gonna check in on it in about 15 minutes to see. So, see you then. I'm gonna start making my mashed potatoes. Again, if you wanna see how I make mashed potatoes, check out the first Cooking with JaLeah. I got this chicken in the oven. I'm kind of scared. It's looking real light skin. I feel like putting the broil on it, but then it's like I'm gonna fuck it up. So, but the asparagus is done. This is what she looking like. And then I also made the same sauce that I made for the last video. I made that as well. So that's just in this little pot right here. And then I'll go on top of everything. But as for this chicken, like, it was really juicy, so I had to drain it. And then now it's just like, it's given that it's gonna be juicy, it's gonna really be an experience, but it's not aesthetically pleasing to me. So now I'm gonna throw in the boil, and I'm gonna put it on low. And I'm gonna see what happened. Fingers crossed, I'm gonna do this like really paying attention to it, and hope I don't fuck it up. So, and after that gets done, we can get to plating, and hopefully everything does not look like shit. Let's make our plate. I'm gonna give the chicken a couple more minutes before I do put the chicken on there, but I'm gonna heat up the mashed potatoes and the asparagus separately. So, got my mashed potatoes all done. Put them on there. And drop half of the damn bowl. Fuck, JaLeah. All right, that's it. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of my sauce on there as well. Put a little divot in the mashed potato for the sauce. Just a little bit, because I'm gonna also put it on top. I'm gonna just put this in the microwave before I take the chicken out. Oh yeah, it needs to broil. That's what it was. It broiled, it got a little color on it. This is what the chicken looked like. Hope I don't spill it. Look at it, it's so hot, so hot. Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. Ah, that was hot as fuck. Woo! Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm using a different camera and a different tripod, so this is kind of like all over the place, but hope y'all can. Let me show y'all this chicken one more time with the better grip on it. That's what she's looking like. This look good? I don't know. I can't tell. This is hot again. Boom, just place it on there. On top like that. Like that there. Bam. Great. Then I have a lot of stuffing left, so I'm gonna just take some of it and just spill it off. Spill it first. I'm gonna spill it before I put it on there. I really wish that I could move this somewhere better. Wait, is this better? Oh, this is better. I should have had y'all here this whole time. Well, I didn't. Now y'all can see better. I'm sorry for the technical difficulties. This is what it's looking like. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some more sauce on top. Mmm, delicious. Sauce poured over, and then now, a meal ain't no meal. A meal is not no meal. What else? Some of this? Some of the food grass. Let's get it. Period. Is this not a meal right here? Is this not a meal? Ignore the fact that I spilled that when I was putting it on there. Let's get back in here with it. Y'all see it steaming? It is. Get into that chicken right there. Now I'm not really finna eat yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit this first bite for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my piece. The chicken is juicy, that's great. Okay, little bite of the something with the chicken. Focus, not on me, on this. Yeah. Steaming. You know what I get into. Okay. I hope it's good. I have no words. I gotta go. I gotta leave. I'm gonna hold it up real quick for y'all. Like my little thumbnail, and then I'm gonna head the fuck out so I can finish eating. Cause I mean, I don't know how you guys supposed to see it, cause it got stuff on it. So good. Okay, I'm head out. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys make this at home. Tag me on Instagram, all that. Again, shout out to Stovetop Kisses for the basis of the recipe because I just had no idea. Wow, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. Oh, okay, yeah, I gotta go. All right, bye, beautiful.